then that should make it less
It's not,
less concerning, shouldn't
like I
it?
said, it's not that big a deal.
Well, so let's might as well turn the camera on so everybody can see what
Oh yeah,
what our snow squall is
show
all
people the
about.
snow squall.
Okay.
That's kind of a pretty scene up the river there. Oh, there it is up the river, snowing. Kind of looks that way up the river when it's snowing every time it snows.
Yeah.
But we're not going to be doing any kayaking out here.
Not today.
Not unless we get a snowmobile and tie the kayak to the back of the snowmobile.
Yeah. So, yeah, so this is our snow squall.